Hi, thank you so much for joining me today for this beautiful testimonial. I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your experience. Why did you go solar?
Well, we to save money basically, and I know a friend that's on the power board, utility company board in town here at Mount Carmel, and he said the rates are going to go up, and they did go up about 2 cents a kilowatt just the past couple of months, and and I don't think it's going to stop there, and so it's kind of a point where we thought to save money. Plus, the government is supplementing of a tax credit, and Illinois has a solar credit program, which we're going to be utilizing also. And thirdly, the power company in Illinois has to buy excess wattage, kilowatts, from us at 4.5 cents a kilowatt. So it's not the rate they're charging us, but it is it helps. And they have a settlement month in May. And I couldn't believe it. We were hooked up in March, and the company, we got settlement in May. We got for about just a couple of months. We had, I think May our month was $12 for and that was just, and that's the hookup fee. You pay that no matter what. And then the next month we had $8 carryover. So I'm thinking that next year we're going to have a pretty good settlement. So that all adds up to, I think we feel 7 years to be paid back on this thing. So on the project.
That sounds amazing. So how would you say your experience has been going?
Very good. The utility company's been very well on. They put a new meter on to measure kilowatts going back and forth. So they've been very cooperative. Green Solar did a good job setting it up. I thought their people were very knowledgeable and did a good job of inspecting our roof on our house to make sure that it would work. And they thought the roof was very good, and they thought it'd be good for 30 years. And I was glad to hear that. We put some money into this roof about 10 years ago, and it's a good roof. And we got 16-inch centers and 1x12 boards up there where the shingles are attached. So it's pretty stout. It's pretty solid. They said this roof's going to be here a long time. And I have had a couple other neighbors, contact me, and they inquired. And the technology where the guys take a satellite screenshot of the house before they even talk to you. And I had a couple of friends that, one neighbor, he's got a lot of trees, and they flat told him, not going to work very well. And he says, well, I'm not getting rid of my trees, so I'm not going. So at least they'll tell you if it's a good idea or not. And I got another friend in town, and they're going with it. And they do need a new roof. And so they're going to put the new roof on. I think they're going to follow up on it in Mount Carmel.
That's amazing.
Right,
so it's safe to say you would recommend other.
Yes, I would. I feel like these guys are very good. There's a couple of other outfits that have put panels up in our area, in our subdivision. And I feel like you guys they were much more knowledgeable. And as far as, and the technology has improved over the years. That's true too. So from what those guys did about 3-4 years ago, but I just feel like everybody was just more knowledgeable in the green solar system.
Great. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate your time today. I think you did an amazing testimonial.
Okay.
Thank you.